Rolls Royce spent 5 months assembling the clock dial on the Arcadia Droptail. The third of 4 coach-building Droptail commissions required 8,000 hours of work on the wood trim. Even Rolls-Royce's entry-level car, the Ghost sedan, will set you back around $350,000, but it looks as ordinary and affordable as a used Corolla next to the Droptail convertible believed to cost more than $30 million. Only 4 of the magnificent roadsters are in production, each designed to suit the whims of the very wealthy buyer, and Rolls-Royce has just unveiled the third in the series. While the earlier Droptail Amethyst featured a moody purple color scheme and the Rose Noire before it looked like an accessory from a burlesque show, the Droptail Arcadia is like a luxury wellness retreat on wheels, with its calming white paint and earthy wood trim. Rolls craftsmen developed a two-tone color scheme consisting of a flat white base infused with aluminum and glass particles, offset by lower carbon fiber sections painted silver for the first time on a Droptail. But the time that must be spent in the paint shop is nothing compared to the hours spent creating and finishing Arcadia's wood siding. The car has 233 pieces of wood, 76 of which are on the rear deck alone, and engineers had to use F1 techniques to create a rigid carbon fiber to which the wood could be applied. In total, more than 8,000 hours of development work went into tree-based detailing. And while this was going on, another team was spending 5 months assembling the most complex clock face ever fitted to a Rolls Royce, having already put 2 years of development work into the job. The automakers claim that a Rolls Royce's standards of testing and verification are higher than those of the watch world, will no doubt rub a few in the horology industry the wrong way. But even those who know nothing about watches, for me, can tell there's something special about, for example, the geometric galoche pattern of the face with 119 facets. This issue celebrates Rolls' 119 years in the business in 2023, the year the customer first sees a preview of their car.